Hey YouTube. Came out with my youngest fella fishing today. And unfortunately we came out with spinning rods, but the fish are all on the fly. But that's okay. Bad day of fishing is better than a good day anywhere. So we're having a little cookout. We got some Rain Man noodles or something like that. And some soup mix. So we're having that for our meal. And then we'll make our way back when we're done. So he wants to cook my lunch for me. So it's pretty easy go for me today. We had a little adventure with a tackle box floating in the water, but we managed to get it back. But anyway, it's good to get your kids out. If you have an opportunity, take your kids outside and have them camping and fishing and such. It's stuff that they won't forget, and it's stuff that you won't forget either. So not too much on the go today. Just wanted to share with you today. There you go. Just want to share with you today what we're into. It's been a while since I've been able to get out in the woods, so I was pretty excited when we got to get out today. My oldest fella's doing a side job, so saving up for a four-wheeler. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.